Hey everyone! Welcome to this video about the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and its S Pen capabilities. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is the latest flagship device from Samsung, and it's packed with a lot of amazing features. One of the standout features of this device is the S Pen functionality. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at what the S Pen can do on the S23 Ultra. First off, let's talk about the design of the S Pen. It's a sleek and slim pen that's comfortable to hold and use. It has a button on the side that you can use to perform different actions, like taking a screenshot or launching an app. When you take the S Pen out of its slot, you'll notice a menu pop up on the screen. This menu gives you quick access to different S Pen features, like creating a new note, drawing on the screen, or even translating text. The S Pen also has some handy features for productivity. You can use it to write notes or make sketches, and then save them directly to the device. The S Pen can also be used to sign documents, making it a great tool for business users. But the S Pen isn't just about productivity. It's also a great tool for creative types. You can use it to draw, paint, or even animate on the screen. The S23 Ultra has a large, high-resolution display that's perfect for these kinds of activities. Finally, let's talk about the S Pen's integration with Samsung's software. The S Pen works seamlessly with Samsung's Note app, which is a powerful tool for note-taking and productivity. It also works with other apps, like Adobe Photoshop, making it a versatile tool for creative professionals. In conclusion, the S Pen is a standout feature of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. It's a powerful tool for productivity and creativity, and it's integrated seamlessly with Samsung's software. If you're looking for a device that can keep up with your busy lifestyle, the S23 Ultra with its S Pen capabilities might just be the perfect fit. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech videos.